I'd like to verify that this is in fact a trigonometric identity. We can start with either side and try and change it into the other side, and here I'm thinking I'm going to start with the right hand side and try and change it into what's on the left, just because there's more stuff in here, there's more to work with, more that might lend itself to using an identity of some kind. Keep in mind too, everything you know about algebra still applies. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I think, is distribute. I'm going to distribute sine x through there. So I'm going to have sine x times cotangent x plus, oh, this is fun, sine x, cosine x, tangent x. Okay, so I don't know if that looks better yet, and it doesn't look like what I'm aiming for on the left. I'm also going to use, or I'm next going to use, the strategy of changing everything into sines and cosines. Cotangent, and we can use a quotient identity on that, and same thing with tangent. So let's see, this will be sine x times the cotangent is the cosine over the sine. I'm going to take this opportunity to point out, yes, you really do have to write x every single time. To say the cosine without something after it doesn't make sense. It's like saying, what's the difference between an apple? You're waiting for the rest of it and it never comes. What's the cosine? The cosine of what? I don't know. So yes, you really do have to write the x every time, and if you don't, I will help you, and you won't like the way I do it. So then we have sine x, cosine x, and the tangent is the sine over the cosine of x. Oh, I almost just had to eat my words there. Again, all the algebra you know still applies. I have sine x on the top, sine x on the bottom. We don't need those. We can divide them away. Cosine x on the top, cosine x on the bottom. Don't need those either. So now where are we? With the sines gone, I have cosine x plus sine x times another sine x. Well, we might as well be efficient about that and write it as sine squared x. And we're there. That was the goal. That was what we started with. That was what was on the other side, and we found it.